So WingsOverAsia is honored to serve as the official ground handler of the Singapore Airshow in 2026. So the Singapore Airshow is a national showcase of Singapore aviation prowess across military, commercial, and general aviation. So its complexity lies in the coordinating ground handling for a wild mix of aircraft types, while we try to craft a seamless and a memorable experience for both the aircrew who fly the aircraft in and the spectators that joins during the airshow. Most visitors, they see only the polished finale. You see all the impressive aircraft lined up, under the sun, and then you get to see the spectacular flying display. In reality, every display requires meticulous flight planning. We are also emphasized on the safety aspect of the show, and we coordinated all of this, including the ground handling, long before the aircraft even departs from its home base. Once the aircraft touchdowns in Singapore, we work very closely with our partners to move it safely from the airport to the exhibition area. So we started talking about this project as early as last year, but in real actions always happen closer to the show, unfortunately. So this is due to aircraft availability, the schedules, and there are so many last-minute changes that was finally settled down. And we are more than happy to adapt and to make everything come together right on time. Ground handling at a large-scale airshow actually mirrors our everyday operations here in Seletar, but it is elevated to a grander stage. We act as a trusted concierge, so we pre-plan and pre-manage all the details before the flight arrival. We also take care of the crew during their stay and in between the flight displays, and of course all the way until their departures. Unlike our handling in Seletar, most of the works are carried out at night for the Singapore Airshow, so it is like a race against time to really get things done and ready before the sun rises. We specialize in handle the aircraft arrivals and departures. We offered meet and greet services, immigration support, flight planning, and we also provide essential ground service equipment for all the military, commercial, and private jets alike. So ground handling is a small, but it's a vital piece in the airshow puzzle, meaning we have to work alongside with countless partners in tandem to turn the Singapore Airshows into reality. Without this collective harmony, the Singapore Airshow wouldn't take flight. So being selected as a ground handler for the airshow is a very proud milestone for us. It is actually a long-held dream of us to become a part of the airshow. But actually we first proved our mettle last year in Buffex. So Buffex is another airshow, but it is mainly for business jets. Being granted this opportunity, we get to show up at the airshow representing what WingsOverAsia stands for. To us, the success at the end of a very long airshow day means there's a flawless safety, meaning every aircraft is secured, all the visitors, my team member, and all the working teams are safe and incident-free. But moreover, the success to us is that we hope to inspire people into joining aviation industry. And ultimately, beyond all the dazzling technology and all the fancy planes, it's the vibrant gathering of aviation lovers. We want every guest, every pilot, and the rest of the crew to walk away with great memories and a lasting impression of us and the airshow. Even though we are a small company, we have a full team of dedicated members that are ready to take on the biggest challenges. With that, we are excited to elevate the experience with our signature WingsOverAsia touch, which is, of course, a refreshing take on service and hospitality. See you at the Singapore Airshow 2028.